tell me, who do you love the most?
Addie, and I love Addie and Lauren the best,
Who else?
and Kinley.
Oh, and Kinley. And what are you and Fletchy going to do when you get big?
Fight.
Fight with who?
Fight with everyone.
Oh, you are? What are you going to do?
Push them down.
Oh, you and Fletcher are?
Yeah,
That's
like booming.
That's
And
it.
when I get bigger, I'll be able to pick him up.
Yeah, when you get bigger. Why are you going to fight everybody? That's not very nice, is it?
I'm like booming.
Oh,
We'll be fighting.
it's not very nice, though.
Boom. And we'll be fighting together and like
Okay, okay. Sit down.
booming.
Can you tell me, who are your best friends?
Addie and Lori.
Addie and Lauren?
Yeah. I call
Who are Mommy's best friends? Sit back.
Kristen
Mm-hmm.
and Aunt Tania,
Mm-hmm.
Lauren's mommy,
Mm-hmm.
and Addie's mommy.
Who else?
And your friend.
Who else?
And Mamie,
Mm-hmm.
your mommy,
Okay.
and Aunt, and who else?
You tell me.
Jenny,
Jenny. Who else?
Mount Wadana,
Ma'am Madonna. Who else?
Pinda,
You silly woman.
Poopy.
No, we don't need to say that. You silly girl.
It's Poopy.
I love you.
I don't love you.
I love you more than anything in the whole wide
I
world.
don't
That's not very nice.
love you.
You sneaky girl.
I don't love you.
You mean girl.
I don't like you.
Mommy's gonna be very sad.
I don't like you. I don't love you.